Welcome, mathematicians. In this video, we'll be looking at amortization tables, focusing on annuities and payouts. An annuity is an investment that gains interest, thereby increasing its balance, yet at the same time, it periodically pays out money to the owner of the account. So over time, the annuity will in fact reduce in value. Let's look at an example. So our scenario is Jenny invests $50,000 in an annuity account, which pays interest at 10% per annum. The account pays $10,000 per year to Jenny as well. The task is to prepare an amortization table for the first 5 payments. So here we have it. Our table includes again the column, the number of payments 1 to 5, the payments received in the payouts, the interest earned on the money in the account, the principal reduction because when we take payments our principal reduces, and the annuity balance in dollars. We're starting with an investment of $50,000. Our interest rate is 10% per annum. Our periods is once, that means it's annually, and our payments are $10,000 once a year annually as well. So we're starting with $50,000. First thing we do is we earn interest on that $50,000. So $50,000 by 10% or 10 over 100 earns interest of $5,000 at the end of the first year. So at this point we have $50,000 plus another $5,000 in interest. The bank then pays out $10,000. There's a payment leaving this account, a payment being received. So there's been $5,000 earned by interest and then $10,000 paid out. That means the principal in total has been reduced by $5,000. Let's check that again. $10,000 paid out, $5,000 interest earned. The principal is reduced by $5,000. So we start at $50,000 and it drops down to $45,000 at the end of the first year. We then repeat these steps. We work out the interest, 10%. Of $45,000 gains interest of $4,500. Once again, at the end of the year, second year, another payment of $10,000 is made. So we've earned $4,500 upon our balance from the bank, and then $10,000 has been paid out. So that's a deduction. The difference between those two is a principal reduction of $5,500. So our $45,000 is reduced at the end of the second year by $5,500. That drops it down to $39,500. The bank then pays 10% interest on that amount at the end of the third year, which earns interest of $3,950. There's a $10,000 payment being made to the owner of the account. So the difference between these two terms is a principal reduction of $6,050. So our balance at the end of the second year is now reduced by $6,050 to an annuity balance of $33,450. Once again, 10% of that is paid as interest, which is $3,345. A payment at the end of the fourth year of $10,000 means there is a principal reduction, the difference between these two terms, of $6,655. So we take that from our balance at the end of the third year, and we're down to an annuity balance after 4 years of $26,795. Once again, final time round, we take that balance and we calculate 10% for the interest earned, which is $2,679.50. From this total, we take away a payment of $10,000. The difference of these two terms calculates the principal reduction of $7,320.50. We take that from our annuity balance of the fourth year, and we're left now with a balance of $19,474.50. There we have the first 5 years of the amortization table for Jenny's annuity. Example number 1. Michelle invests $10,000 in an annuity account paying interest at 5% per annum. The account pays $2,000 per year. 3 lines of an amortization table for the annuity account are shown below. We start off with an initial balance of $10,000. At the end of the first year, there's $2,000 of payments have been paid out or received, $500 of interest earned, so the principal has been reduced by $1,500. It's dropped from $10,000 down to $8,500. The question is, how much does Michelle have left in the annuity after 2 years? Step number 1, we're going to calculate the interest earned for payment number 2. So payment number 2, let's work out the interest earned. So that's based on a percentage of the $8,500 annuity balance at the end of year 1. So our principal is $8,500. Our interest rate is 5% per annum. That gives us interest earned of $425. Step 2, include the payments received. So, as always, the payment received in this example by Michelle is $2,000. Step 3, let's calculate the annuity balance after payment number 2. So first of all, the principal reduction is the difference between the payment received and the interest earned. So the principal will be reduced by $1,575. So from year one, the balance was $8,500, and we deduct from that the principal reduction of $1,575. This gives us an annuity balance after 2 years of $6,925, which is option D. Example 2. Chloe invests $5,000 in an annuity account paying interest at 8% per annum. The account pays $800 per year. 3 lines of an amortization table for the annuity account are shown below. What is the total interest earned over the first 2 years? So step 1, let's calculate the interest earned for payment number 2. We have here our balance at the end of year 1, $4,600. We're going to multiply that by our interest rate of 8% per annum. That results in an interest of $368. Step 2, we want to add the interest earned for the first 2 years. So we're looking at the interest from payment number 1 and the interest of payment number 2. That gives a total of $400 and $368 respectively. Adding together, that is a total interest over the 2 years of $768, which again is option D. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this has given you a better understanding of amortization tables in the context of annuities and payments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.